that's looking round to Jardine and Naxos, and there's a train on the way. There it is. I'm just on the balcony just now, so from inside it will not be as loud as this. I thought we'd come out just so this will be as loud as a train can get. You can maybe see just right there, that's the station. It's only about 700 metres away, so the train's not really built up any speed to speak of. Great to see us today. I really like to hear that. I don't know how that has come over on the tape. That wasn't loud at all, not to me anyway. If it had been, I would have said. No, that's fine.